Okay, hello guys, welcome to my videos, and please pay attention. But in this video I will show you how to make a bird with origami paper. I'm sorry, but it's little rainy in here, and maybe the sound is like a distraction, and yeah, we just see and listen and learn about how to make a bird with origami. So the first step, most important is just a little, just one paper of origami. You can buy it in the store or any marketplace online maybe. And here we go. Let's start make it. First we have to get a right direction like this, set a square in the top like this, and fold it half like this, and make it clearly. So we get a triangle shape, and we open again, and so we fold shape like this and wait on your right face, and fold like this until the side of this line is reach of the line what we make it from the fold before, like this. So we do in other side. So we got this shape. Next, we fold this shape of triangle in white. We fold to back side. Yes, back side. All of the white color until it's gone, and we got this shape. So next, then we fold like this. So, do it in right and do it in the left. So this is hard part for you. Make it in this hard way. You just open this shape what you make it, and you take this the corner and pull it out, but in time of your left fingers, hold it in here, and in this corner push it and push it, and you got this shape. So make it clearly in this shape. Take it together, and we got then this. So we did. Then we just do it in other side. So we just make a simple wings, but we haven't done it yet. But it's not bird, you see it, and just this is the shape of foot. Then next we just fold in here in the corner like this, and like this. This is for making food of the bird, not like I said. And we have to do is next pull it up and down again, but we must take a little place. Not all of this is folded back like this, and we don't need. We give some little space. After that, we just take it right side and left side together, fold it together. So we have done like a bird shape in here, but not have a perfectly. Next, we just take it. This tail is up. Just pull it out. So we don't have like a different tail's direction, and we just make it sparrow. So we just after all the shape, we just make it little sparrow like this. Your right hand and left hand, see, like this one. Yeah, like same this. Just push it and gather on side. So if the sparrow is like a little like go to in the bottom, just pull it out and make it sure it's in the right direction. So we made it a little bird with origami. That is looking a little hard, but if you do it step by step, you can learn it easily. So this bird can stand it up like this. Oh, sorry, like this. So we made it. Thanks for see out my video. Thanks. Goodbye.